Let's take a look at the Corning CCH-04U. It's a 4-rack unit and holds 12 CCH connector panels. It's got cable management on the bottom right there. And I do like how each slot is alphabetized. There's also cable management on the top, and each slot includes blanks. Now the one thing I do like about this a lot is the bottom of the rack mount here. You see that it's open? If you know, you know. Let's crack open the back. Now here's a quick look at the hardware that's included. And then you have your internal strain relief bracket, that's removable. And then your strain relief brackets. And then your slack management clips. All of these are removable in case you need to add cassettes instead of the panels. Order online at discountlowvoltage.com.